Hello, my friend. Welcome. If you found your way here, there's probably something inside you that longs to slow down, to simplify, to go deeper. I know that feeling. I've been there too. And that's exactly why Sage Soul Motivation exists. This channel is for those who want to quiet the noise, who want to reconnect with their essence, their center. Here, I'll share motivational videos, but not the kind that shout, rush, or overwhelm you. We'll explore calm and powerful ideas drawn from Stoicism, Zen, Taoism, and Western philosophy. We'll uncover words that speak to the soul, moments that are as meaningful as silence itself, because I truly believe real motivation starts within, and real peace isn't about resisting life, but accepting it, just as it is. I'm walking this path, and I want to walk it with you. If you're searching for stillness within, if you're ready to come closer to yourself, then this channel is for you. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's simplify. Together, I'm here because you're here, and that's no accident. Welcome, my friend. If you're ready, our journey begins now.